guys, and welcome back to the channel. Thank you for clicking on another video. Today we're going to be going over this B&W Gooseneck ball that is made for the OEM Gooseneck prep package. This is my 2020 F350 6.7 Powerstroke, and we're going to be installing it today. I've already gone ahead and cut open the box, so let's go ahead and walk through what comes in the package. So first thing that you notice is you get a really nice, durable, hard plastic carrying case. And then you open it. Oh man, that sure does look good. We're gonna flip this around. So you do have your 2 5/16 ball here. This is rated for up to 30,000 pounds. And then you have your chain adapters that go into your spots here. Now you can also take a fifth wheel, like a kingpin adapter, and you can put it in there and it will also snap into those places. But we use this Anderson Ultimate hitch right here, which I will show you guys in another video how to install if you're interested in that. I will put the link down in the description below. But since we have that one, I didn't want to buy another hitch adapter, so we're going to stick with this one. We got the B&W ball kit, so let's go ahead and get that installed. It does come with a cap so that when you don't have this ball in there, then you can plug that hole up. Go ahead and get this thing installed. Okay, so super simple and easy installation. We've got both of these lockers right here that slide down and pop into here. You've got your handle right here that you pull back on, and then it swings down, and that's how you lock your ball in place. No more getting out of the truck to do this. This is a single operation job. You just slide it in, pull on that handle, snap it into place, and you're good to go. Okay? Now, as far as these chain hooks go, you're going to swing this up right here. You're going to flip this up, turn this, and you're going to drop that right in here. Turn this, drop that, and you are good to go. Less than 1 minute installation. It's not heavy. You don't have to get out of the truck to pull on that handle and turn over that ball. It comes with a nice carrying case that you can fit under your back seat. So I say B&W did a great job with this one, and we will see you guys on the next video.